Alright everybody, today I'm reviewing a Lasfit bed liner. I got a new to me 2021 F-150. Threw it out here in the sun. If you need an unboxing video, don't watch mine because you cut the box open and take it out. I got the bed of my F-150 washed out. Gonna throw the liner in, see how it fits. Alright, once again, Lasfit liners. Been around a little over 10 years. Everything fits great, hooks under my hardware, fits in corners of the bed and around the drains and everything perfectly. I will run this thing for a few months and see how, do a quality update about 2 months. Thanks. If you want one, lasfit.com.